Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Camilla and I make travel videos here on YouTube. Although my traveling has been a bit on hold lately because you know why. So this will be my first time traveling since COVID-19 and I'm so excited to finally get out there again. In today's episode, I'm taking you guys to the Caribbean island St. Thomas. We're spending 1 week there for my birthday with a fun group of friends, so let's go. On day 5, we literally stayed at the villa the whole day. After days with adventures, we wanted a relaxing day and we wanted to take advantage of the beautiful pool.
Thank you. Cheers. Yes, good life.
I also created 3 one-hour playlists for you guys to listen to when you want to relax. I put the link in my description below.
Okay, so it's day 5, day 6.
Something like that.
Okay, it's day 6. We're going to the beach.
Yes.
What is the name of the beach?
I don't know.
We need to find the name of the beach. But yeah, so this is the car we've been driving around. We've been driving around like 9 people and it's a car for 6 people. But today we're actually way few people. We're 4, 5 people going to the beach. So we're all gonna have our seats and it's gonna be amazing. We are now walking into Koki Beach and I feel like this beach is a little more local, but this is where me and Celia got our braids done last time we were here. I'm not sure if they do that now, I doubt it, but we'll see. But this is where you walk in. We are here at Cookie Beach and we're getting our hair braided. So this is the beach you have to go to if you're braiding your hair because it's one of the few beaches here in St. Thomas where you actually can braid your hair. She braided my hair 2 years ago and now we're doing it again. So I hope it gets good this time too. beach and get the fruit from this guy serving the best fruit all night long. This is called Kimna.
It's called a ganap. You pluck them, you pluck them. Oh,
You block them off
you
the
pluck
ground.
them, you prick them,
You eat them.
lick them. Pluck them, prick them, lick.
Thank you so much.
All right,
You're so
welcome.
good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
We ended the day a bit sunburned, happy, and spent the rest of the night in the pool and the jacuzzi at home.
Good morning, everyone. Today it's actually day 6 out of our 7-day stay here at Villa Gardenia. We rented this villa for 1 week. We found it on Airbnb, or John found it on Airbnb. He did all this for my birthday and we invited a bunch of friends and it's just been like the best time ever. I got so many questions on my Instagram where to see a house tour from this place, how we found it, all that. So I just want to do a quick house tour, or I'm not sure how quick it'll be because this place is massive. It's like the biggest villa I ever stayed in. But yeah, let me show you and I hope you like it. Okay, so this is outside and that's the car we've been driving around in. This is our parking lot and where we have room for all the cars. And then this is where you walk in and it's like a massive solid gate, so security is on top. So this is the entrance and this is where you walk in. We have a cute little fountain here. I think it's supposed to work. I think it's supposed to come water out the lion's head. It's not right now. As you see, we have so much space. You can sit here neat, we can sit over there. And we have actually a massive garden as well. And it goes all the way down to the pool. The weather is weird right now. It's like raining and sunny at the same time. This is Ziad. That's James.
Hello.
We just woke up, so the energy isn't on top yet. And then that's our jacuzzi, that's the pool, and we've been hanging out here every single day, but we also been going to the beach every day, but yeah, we've been in the pool a lot, and it's so nice because the jacuzzi gets super warm. And then we have the grill here. So we have a grill here, and then we actually have 2 or 3 grills all the way at the other side of the villa. And then, yeah. And
Look at that view though,
I
right?
know, the view is crazy, man. Now we have a whole garden where we can walk down. I don't have to take it all the way down, but just so you get the gist of it. It's all different kind of small paths down there and beautiful flowers. And yeah, it's really nice. Did you like the pool? You've been in the pool the whole time.
Yeah, every day.
John been in the pool every single day and he even fell asleep in it yesterday. And those floaties are so comfortable. They might not look that comfortable, but you can like, yeah, I'll insert a picture here.
They're like water hammocks.
Exactly, I'll show you on the picture, I'll post it here, and then you'll see how it looks. It's really comfortable. Okay, if you want to see the inside. Pia woke up.
Yeah, finally.
Hey, Pia.
And you're enjoying the villa as well?
Yes.
I love it. Like, this living room is so massive that when I stand over here, I can barely talk to the people over there in the kitchen. And this is the massive kitchen. And we actually been cooking a lot here. Really nice, modern appliances, everything. We've been having cookout for my birthday. We made pasta and taco. And here's all our snacks. And it's a little bit audacious, you don't have to see that.
Wow.
What's nice about this villa is that we actually get it with a cleaning lady. Her name is Jackie and she's amazing. She comes here and clean every day. She's not here today, that's why it looks a little bit more messy than what it did when we came here. We have a massive fridge, freezer, it's even an office.
Yeah, with a printer.
And we also have washer and dryer.
And a wine fridge.
And then let me quickly show you outside here. When it was my birthday, like 3 days ago, 4 days ago, this is where we were eating, so we moved all the chairs from this side to the other side. But it gets so nice at night because you see the sky full of stars and The view is just really, really nice. And here we also have 2 grills. And we were also playing beer pong at one of the tables. The possibilities are endless, okay? This is just a great place. But yeah, let me show you more of the rooms. Okay, now I want to show you me and John's master bedroom. It's massive. It blew my mind. I don't think I ever had a room this big in a hotel, in an Airbnb or anything. Like, it's massive. We have TV if we need it, but we have not been using that. So yes, we have doors to the outdoor area. And then the bed is massive, super comfortable. We have our own bathroom and toilet, a jacuzzi with a really nice view again, right out to the stars and the view. And it's a massive shower here that's been so comfortable. Double vanity, which is amazing. Oh yeah, we also have a walk-in closet that is as big that if this was New York, you could rent it out as an apartment or at least a room because it's massive.
Oh yeah, this could be a studio in New York City.
Yeah, and it's cool to have a room that we can leave all our stuff at, so our bedroom can actually be clean most of the time. So this whole villa is 3 bedroom, 3 bathroom.
Yeah. Well, 3.5 bathrooms.
Oh yeah, because there's a bathroom out there.
Yeah.
I forgot to show it.
Yeah.
But yeah, so this is the rest of the rooms. This is, we have a long hallway here, so that goes into the 2nd bedroom. Okay, so this is the 2nd bedroom. It might be a little messy as well, but let's check it out. They also have their own private bathroom. And come and show Ziad, one of the guys on the trip, is actually such a good cleaning lady. He cleans his room, he cleans for us in the kitchen a lot. And yeah, they have nice closets here with mirrors. This is just like a little colonial style, the whole thing, and I really like it. But yeah, let me show you the rest of the house. This is the 3rd bedroom. Here's where you walk out. Oh, now it's sun out, of course. This is a little messy right now, but there's a private bathroom over there, and they have massive closets. So that was the complete house tour, and I hope you guys like it. And if you want to rent this exact villa here in St. Thomas, I will leave a link to the Airbnb description below. And I think also if you use my link, you get like $20 or $30 off your first day. This exact villa for 1 week is $4,300. It is a little on the expensive side, but if you're a lot of people sharing it, like here we could be like 6 people, and splitting it between everyone, it actually works out pretty well. And having the privacy of this compared to a hotel is just, yeah, it's just great and very, very convenient. So now we're just gonna enjoy our last day here. I think we're going to the beach today. Then we might go to a restaurant, and then we're leaving tomorrow at 11. I don't want to leave, but actually on Monday they're shutting down everything again. All the beaches, all the restaurants because of COVID. So I guess we're just really lucky, and yeah. I had a blast, and I'll just show you the rest of the day, and I'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. I'm just gonna be in the garden doing some cartwheel.
Do a cartwheel now.
I can't do it.
Let's see it. Let's see it.
I can't do it.
Just do one.
I can't.
Just try it.
No, I don't want to get green on my pants.
Wow. See that, YouTube?
On our last night, we all went to beautiful restaurants in the mountains. The food and the atmosphere here was super nice.
Might have not mixed those, whatever was tracked already. Yeah.
We ended the night with some drinks and of course another beer pong tournament. The next morning, we woke up early and packed and headed to the airport. We had to check out from the Airbnb at 11 a.m., which was pretty hard because everyone was a bit hungover, but it was worth it. We made it and we got a 5-star review from our Airbnb host, so I'm proud.
Bye to the island. So we're here at the airport. We're saying bye to Ronell, and he's gonna stay I think 1 or 2 more weeks. But yeah, so we're all gonna take approximately the same flight home now. So yeah, we're just gonna say bye, and then I'll see you guys on the plane.
I'll see you as soon as I get back.
Thank you for always having us.
One important thing to note, the US Virgin Islands is the US territory, but when you fly back to the mainland US from St. Thomas, you must go through immigration. I'm currently on adjustment of status while waiting for my green card, so I was actually taken aside so they could check my status before they let me through. It's not like Puerto Rico where you can just go back and forth without passing through customs.
Bye, St. Thomas. It was incredible. It was amazing. Even though you scared us of immigration.
But that's it, guys. Thank you so much to all my friends who came to celebrate with me, and thank you guys for watching today's episode. I hope you had some good laughs too. Let me know in the comments below if you have traveled anywhere yet or where you want to travel when everything opens up again. To see more pictures from a trip, you can check out my Instagram. And remember to subscribe if you haven't already done so, like and comment. I love talking to you guys there. I'll let you guys go now, stay safe, and I'll see you in my next vlog from New York. Bye!